Hi everybody, so this video is going to be a really short video. I had 3, I think, giveaways or contests, I think, earlier on this year, at begin, like when this year was ending. I had one from Motives, one with the Love Lux hair, and one on my Resultly page. First of all, thank you so much for supporting my Resultly page. It was new, the company came to me, I said, yeah man, sure I can do that. It's online shopping, you can't go wrong. You can view people's favorites, purchase on this. I mean, it's just a regular, like you have other networks to do the same thing, but Resultly got to me first, and I love it. I like looking at stuff and saying, oh, adding that to my wish list. I mean, it's pretty cool. So I want to thank you guys for supporting me in that endeavor, and I want to come to you guys and let you guys know who won what. So for the Instagram Love Lux giveaway, the winner is 10 stars. If you should be following, so I'm assuming you did follow. So the winner has already been announced on Love Lux hair page. I'm just coming on my YouTube channel to let you guys know, just in case you watch my YouTube more than you focus on my Instagram. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. So yeah, so the winner for the Instagram Love Lux virgin hair giveaway is 10 stars. Please Instagram DM me your address so I can get your hair shipped off to you. And the Resultly winner is Amor. Thank you so much, Amor, for entering. I think you chose the Lorac and the Hourglass. I mean, amazing choice. So don't forget to contact me via Resultly so I can get those sent over to you as well. And finally, but not leastly, our YouTube winner for the Motives giveaway is the one and only Dazzling Divas. I was so surprised when she came up, because I know that she is a supporter of what I do here on YouTube and over on my Lyric Uncut page. So to see that she won, it meant a lot to me. So it can only mean, I can't even think what it means to her. For your Motives prize though, mama, I don't even know what it is. I don't pull it from, I get it when I was in Connecticut. I have not pulled it. I think it's stapled. If not, I don't know. I don't pull it or nothing. See if someone get it. I get it up and weird things. So yeah, go ahead and I'll reach out to you. What you just comment in this video, I'll reach out to you, because I don't want no fake emails saying whatever. So don't forget, for the Instagram winner, please DM me your address so I can get the hair shipped off to you. Your Resultly winner, don't forget to message me on Resultly to let me and with your address. No, yeah, just email me on Resultly, message me on Resultly, and we can converse so we can get that done. And for Dazzling Divas, just comment below this video. Oh gosh, yes, I can't believe, or yes girl, whatever, and I'll just contact you. Alright, so that's it basically for this video. Very short, kind of long for a short video, but I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.